Hi, hello, and welcome back to the channel Coding Duty. And in this video, we are going to discuss how to create a centimeter to meter converter using Tkinter. Okay, so in this video, we are going to discuss that. Before starting the session, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so that then only you will be able to get the notifications if I post new videos. Okay, so now let's start the session. So let me first start using the importing. So let's start like import Tkinter as Tk. Okay, so now first of all I am going to set up the GUI, which means how it should be looking. Okay, so let's give window is equals to tk.tk. So now in the next step, let's create a frame. A frame means it's to just give like the difference. Okay, so if you want this part to be a frame, it can be a frame. The next part is the next frame, the next part is the next frame. Okay, so tk dot frame of master is equals to window. Okay, so this is the master because inside this window this frame should be there. Okay, so that is what we are doing. So now let's give enter centimeter is equals to tk dot entry of master is equals to frame. Okay, so inside the frame we are creating with the width 10. Okay, now let's create a label. Centimeter is equals to tk dot label master is equals to frame and text is equals to centimeter. Now let's grid them up. So instead of packing, gridding can also be done. So in the gridding you are able to give the x and the y coordinates. Okay, so let's give dot grid and let's give row is equals to 0, column is equals to 0, and let's give something called sticky is equals to e. Okay, so sticky means it will be on the E side. Okay, because the sticky takes the values E, N, S, W, etc. Okay, so now we are choosing it to be on the E and the label to be on W. Okay, so now let's give, then only they will be on the same line. Okay, column 1 sticky is equals to W. Now let's give button convert is equals to tk dot button master is equals to window text is equals to convert. Okay, because we are trying to convert it, isn't it? So now we have to give a command here because the button should be converting from the centimeter to meter. Okay, now let's give the result. LBL result is equals to tk dot label. Okay, because if you press on the submit button, then what should happen? You should be able to get the centimeter to meter. Okay, so this label is going to change it into meters. Okay, so now let's grid them up. So here the first one was frame, also we didn't grid them up. So let's give like frame dot grid row is equals to 0, column is equals to 0. Now let's give something called pad x because in the x direction it will be doing padding. Okay, now let's give for the btn convert dot grid row is equals to 0, column is equals to 1, pad y is equals to 10. Okay, so now let's give lbl result dot grid row is equals to 0, column equal to 2, and the pad x is 10 itself. Okay, in the x direction there will be a padding. Now what you have to give? You have to give window dot main loop, right? So let's give like window dot main loop. So now let's see how this looks like. Centimeter to meter converter. Okay, so here you have got centimeter and here you have got meter, and by mistakenly I wrote something like this, right? So now you got it, centimeter convert meter. So I'm going to give 100 centimeter and I pressed convert, but it's not working because it doesn't have a convert function here. Okay, so now let's create a function called how to convert it. Okay, so I'm going to create a function called centimeter to meter, just like you create a function in Python itself. Now let me write like centimeter is equals to enter centimeter dot get. Okay, so now enter centimeter dot get means what will happen? Enter underscore cm. Okay, so from here whatever you have entered will be taken and stored in enter centimeter, that is got here. Okay, now let's give meter is equals to 1 by 100 into float of centimeter. Okay, this is the conversion that is happening here. Now let's give LBL result of the text. Okay, so there is a text called meter that should be changing into centimeter, right? So now let's give that it should be just rounding up to the decimal points. Okay, so now let's give round of meter comma 2. Okay, so that's all. So now we again forgot to give the command here. In the btn command you have to give command is equals to centimeter to meter. This is your function name. Okay, so whatever is the function name that should be happening, you have to give for this button, and then only you will be able to get the output. Okay, so now let me give 100 convert, it will give me 1. Okay, so now let's give it like 186. Okay, convert it, it will give me 1.86. 1000 something like this. Let's convert it and you will get 18667.65, but still it's not rounding up to more than 2 decimal points, right? So that is the converter. I hope you guys liked this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to give me the comments about this video. Okay, see you in the next video with some other interesting videos. Bye guys.